Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches. This is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every day. Today I'm bringing you a new video called How to Say I Hope You Feel Better in Spanish. But before we watch this video, I want to extend you a very warm invitation to click that red button and subscribe. It's free and I upload videos every day on a wide range of topics. Okay, listen carefully, escucha y repite and repeat. I hope you feel better in Spanish is espero que te sientas mejor. Espero que te sientas mejor. I'll say it very slowly, muy despacito, very slowly. Espero, that means I hope. Espero que te sientas mejor. Mejor means better. Espero que te sientas mejor. Espero que te sientas mejor. Please make sure that you repeat after me. In that way, you'll be able to remember this because it'll go to your long-term memory. We can play a little bit with this sentence by adding a few words. For example, if you wanted to say, I hope you feel better tomorrow, you would say, espero que te sientas mejor mañana. Mañana means tomorrow. So we keep exactly the same sentence, espero que te sientas mejor, and then we add mañana, which means tomorrow. The same goes with this sentence, I hope you feel better in a couple of days. Espero que te sientas mejor en un par de días. The syntax in this sentence is so similar both in English and Spanish that we can't translate it literally word by word. So we already learned to say, I hope you feel better, which is, espero que te sientas mejor. But if you wanted to translate in a couple of days, literally, we can do that. En, in, un par, which means a couple, de días, of days. So in a couple is en un par. That's right. Par means couple. Of days, de días. Espero que te sientas mejor en un par de días. So you're learning an additional sentence, en un par de días, which means in a couple of days. En un par de días. Excelente. Let's see the next ejemplo. Siguiente ejemplo. I hope you feel better after what happened. Espero que te sientas mejor después de lo que pasó. Después, after, de lo que, what, pasó, happened. Espero que te sientas mejor después de lo que pasó. If you want to say, I hope that you feel better than yesterday, you would say, espero que te sientas mejor que ayer. Que ayer means than yesterday. That's right, que means what, but it can also mean than. Otro ejemplo. I hope that you feel better than the other day. Espero que te sientas mejor que el otro día. Que, than, el otro, the other, día, day. Excelente, you're getting the hang of this. Otro ejemplo, another example. I hope you feel better after taking the medication. Espero que te sientas mejor después de tomarte el medicamento. I guess you already know what el medicamento means. These sentences are a little bit longer, but I have confidence in you. Practice, 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 and you will remember them. I hope you feel better after the vacations. Espero que te sientas mejor después de las vacaciones. Después de las vacaciones means after the vacations. Muy bien, fantástico. I hope you feel better. Espero que te sientas mejor. Espero que te sientas mejor. Practice, practice, practice. Espero que te sientas mejor. Okay. In the meantime, I'll continue working my computer, preparing some new lessons for you. Leave your comments, tell me what did you think about this lesson, any suggestions, and I hope to see you mañana. Nos vemos, amigos. Adiós.